ProTri specialized in manufacturing digital printer for 15 years. Headquartered in Guangdong, China, with branches and warehouses in the USA, Brazil, Poland, and Indonesia. We are a national high-tech enterprise specializing in the R&D manufacturing and sales of digital printing equipment and consumables, with over 180 employees, including a strong R&D team. Our main products include Sublimation printer, DTF printer, leather printer, UV flatbed printer, UV DTF printer, double station DTG printer, and a host of printing consumables, such as inks, films, and powders. A professional production team and standardized management ensure efficient and high-quality manufacturing. Partner with ProTri to create a better future with printing technology.